heart. Good morning. Good happy blessed Monday. Ayun. Good morning, Sir Cresslech. Hope everyone's doing well. Yes po. Sir Fred, good morning. Oh my God, just wake up. Look, Sir Fred, the fog. The fog. The fog at the mountain. Something like that. Oh my God. Fog here also can't even see the wood. Ah, okay po. Hi, Sir Rob. Kapi-kapi.
Ha? Siya dito si Mama? Dito. Oo, oo nga daw. Makilala ko nga. Kaya ako, di ko man maabrilan. Tayo na hindi ko mahirap. Hindi ko sila, kaya pag ano, sige mo nga na ako. Sabi nila sa awakan ate. Awakan talaga ka ako. Sa taon ko, ako ay ako baga, nakatira na ako sa kaya ano na lang, ayaw mo kang magkasabi mo. Check mo na yung inuulo kayo, ayaw mo siya. Kaya sa bagay, sayo ka dante. Sayang pa. Yung sagda ako yan. Oo, kasi yan nakaano ha. Oo, kung nawawala yung pag-usag na yan. Ito ko na naman. Ay, nababulog. Oo. Nababla. Ano pa man? Hindi, at ang iba. Ang ganito. Late ka pala din. Pagsunod sa ang reason na balik. Ay pagtunod rat. Ano pagtunod. Nadiri ang pinakangkasan mo. Kapitat ko na. Ang pagtunod mo. Bukong kayo. Bukong hindi ka nagsaan. Tulpakan ang duwa? Oo, malaki. Atag ka man magmata. Dito.
Nahapot ako dun sa ano.
Ay, kalit mo na lang. Ang brush lang, brush lang lang. Ay, bulok siya. Ang dati mo, ano.
Thank you po. Thank you, Sir Rob. How beautiful. Thank you, Sir Rob. How are you? Good morning morning here in the Philippines. Morning, Pilipinas. Oh. Nakarinig ka? Makuha?
Oo.
Oh, may makukuha naman ka mo? Hi, Sir Paul. Thank you, Sir Fred. Kapi-kapi. Paul Koch.
Malungkot ang beshi ko ah.
Nakapigate? Ano ko muna ba ay kararing sito at natin man yan.
Kagandahan.
Matala bebe! Oo, luway akong baka.
Kahit na malaha.
Ayun naman ko na ang balangay.
Oo. Ibang kita dito kaupod, kaya mayaman ko nakita. Ha? Sabi kayo upod pa yun, may tayo na pamilya na yun. May apa, may abroad. My God!
Grabe nag-reklamo.
Dire ba kay mapaupod kita, may kaya na ko na kita, may apa, may abroad.
Ikaw man ito ang nakapangalan. Dito
Grabe.
Grabe na people ito. My God na people ito.
nakasabay ka. At sa interview man, ano man lang yan, ito pa extra.
Kahit pintingani ko na may pili man ko ayuda.
Ano pa lang, slot pa lang nila, ano lang, pili lang. Kumbaga, daghanong punta. Ito may mga check na saving.
Oo.
Kaso ang slot sa to, di lang. Halos baga daghanong lang. Saving.
Di ba sa tumasisisi ang barangay? Kaya ano yan?
Nagpili sa
Nagsinsos.
daghanong nag-aaral sa mga barangay. Kaya, daghanong na nagko-complain.
Dapat hindi mo pag ano, ay, di man sila nag-release kayo. Nabase yun sa pag-house to house, sa pag-interview.
Kaya di ka wala napili sa ato. Ikaw mo napili sa ato.
Ang sabi, urukod na. Eh.
Lupang ko na ng mga ano nila.
Si Manay nga, sabi ni Manay, sige sa nila, ito baga na pilay-pilay. Sabi ni Manay, baga nakaupo din yung mga galuoy pa, ito makagriba. Sabi ko, Manay, may second batch pa yun.
6 months yada, Tuki. Okay sana kami. Ano, kaso halin yun sa utang sa Pilipinas. Ate baka tumog para utang-utang pa. Para lang sabihin na magayon ka na. Leader? With leader. Hindi ako natutuwa.
Ay sa kan gabi. Ang pagpe. Gabi. Lakaw ka na.
Hindi pa.
Ay, friend, ayun.
Thank you so much. Okay, stop talking. Get your coffee. Oh my God. Oh my God. Very nice, girl.
Kan pa kami sa isa.
Wala mamay. Wala ka sa nakasulod. Ano, sa marmol, wala man nakasulod.
Siyempre kay administrasyon bagaan marunong. Nasabi son, ano, iba talaga ang pag nasa harani sa pasungan. Nice girl. Thank you, Sir Fred. Kape.
Nag-busy kaya?
Wala.
Okay, okay na yan.
Wala. Hindi, wala. Hindi, wala. Eh, kita, wala. Wala sa pisina. Wala, meron 98%
About time, kape. Kape, kape. I'm waiting for my hubby.
Wala man ay lilingan wala.
He's busy. My hubby is busy. Still busy. Oh, my third already. Oh, what? Third?
Mata na.
I need somebody who can love me at my worst. Thank you, 6 people in the house. Usually other way around, we always waiting on the woman. Other way around. Always waiting. Huh? Waiting on the wall. Yep. They always saying, wait lang. Wait lang. Wait lang. Wait lang. She don't wear pumps, nature. What is pumps? What is the pumps? Thank you sa likes.
Kasi, kulang na lang sa isong-song sa iwa mo.
Some kind of shoes. Ah, okay. Some kind of shoes. No pumps. If you send me to buy the pumps, thank you. I don't know the pumps, my God. Karito sa diri maglaway kay Luis niya. Si hi Sir Fred. Si hi Sir Fred. May bibi Gabi. Ikaw na kanina gusto. Kuha mo dito gaban ang tinapay kay kaon ako. Hello Kiddo. This is my baby Gab. I know that you're wrong for me. Thank you so much. So much. Tinapay lang. Hindi na ako sa dinagpapalaman. Tinapay ho. Come on, let's eat. Pretty soon, he be as big as you, yes. He will be big as me soon. Gusto mo tinapay? May palaman ha. Okay. I remember my wife's son getting big and he got to the point of yelling at his mom. How I wish he's still something like that. So I had to teach him not to. He learned fast. Oh my God. He learned fast. Are you from Bicol? Yes. Sarah. I want you to stay, never go away from me. Be here beside me again. Why did you hurt me? You conquer What did you have to leave me unsaid? Oh, you're singing song for me to never go away. Oh, no. I just like to sing. Oh my God. I want you this time, never go. Oh my God, sir friend, you teasing me. Always.
Dali, bibi ha!
What did you have? Mike gonna yell at me. Yes. Mike gonna something. Nasasaktan na ng puso. Atas na yung kita.
Ano na? Sarapin na ka. Ano, gusto ka? Ano? Tawag ka sila. Kuya, Gab, dali na. Wala ka mo sa lang ka naman. Nainit ka na. Palit mo sunian.
Hehe. He should yell at you. You're the one telling me never. Ah, my God. Don't, Kwan. Don't put me on the trouble. Oh my God. Jesus, my So, oh, thank you for the gifts, Jesus. Thank you so much. Nice, Jesus. Sing that song again. I will record. Ah, oh my God. Kalimutan mo na yan. Sige, sige, maglibang. Huwag kang magpagkaibang. Dapat ay itawa lang ang problema sa babae. Dapat tininda. Hayaan mo sila ang maghabog sa'yo, diba? Sabi ko naman sa'yo, lahat yung nagluloko. Pagkatapos kang pagkinabangan, biglang lalayo. Kaya wag nang uulit pa. May tansi words. Kaya wag nang uulit pa. What the fuck? Oh my God. Hi, 9 people in the house. Who lurking? Thank you sa likes. Haha. Haha. Thank you. Sending heart. It's gonna rain here all day. I hope no rain today because I'm working day. Great, Victor. Thank you so much. Thank you for the gift, Greg Victor. Thank you for the coins, gold coins. Oh, a good sign for the Monday. Happy blessed Monday to. Oh my God, thank you. More blessings to come. Thank you, Sir Greg Victor. Where are you from? Florida. Oh, okay. You're living in USA? I just find the time to you back again. Thank you so much, 11 million in the house. I want you to stay, never go. Wait lang. Wait lang. Maybe to have to leave me and say that dreaming is reality. I want you to stay. Thank you, 14 people in the house. Thank you so much. My 2 kids live in Florida. Okay. Mike said Florida is a good place to live in America. Down towards Whitmere. Mm. Fort. Down towards Fort Mayor. Fort Mayor. Feet. Huh? What? Feet. Foot. Feet. Fit, 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 fit. Sounds like my Sounds like my er. Bird, bird, my bird, 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 mare, 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 mare. Oh my God. Sell, sell, sell. See my, then S. Mare. Good morning, Teo. Good morning, my love. Morning, Cheryl and Sir Uncle. Just woke up from nap here. Okay. Thank you, my love. Hey, brother. Good morning. Hey, Teo. Hey, Mike. Hey, Mike. Hello, Teo. Thank you for watching.
Kailan man ako doon sa inap.
Old people need snack. Watching Zumba was very fun. Thank you, Sir James. Thank you so much. Old people need snack. Ito ang susi ko kan Jerome ng Tigsaya ng Andoa. This old man syndrome must take nap in afternoon. Oh my God. Oh, wait lang.
Come here. Over here. Yeah. Kaon ka na, ano? Mahaw ka na? Edi, kaon ka na. Ito na pa doon.
Thank everyone watches the Zumba. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Mike, she was singing me a song. Ah, that's not for you the song. Sir Fred, that's not for you. I'm just like to sing something like that. Any song, but no one. I'm not saying anything dedicated to you. Earlier, let's see, she never wants to, oh my God, I'm not saying that. Sorry, but teens can't relate to naps. I was just singing to, no, I'm not singing for him. Stop. Hi, Insan. Sir Fred. My cousin, she's just Charity. She's my cousin. Hello, Charity. Hi, Louise. Wala pasok niyan? Day off? Minsan? Cause? Hi Fred, hi Mike, how are you guys? How my cousin Cha? Hello Charity. She's my cousin in US. She living in Chicago, Illinois. Doing great here in Philippines. How's Chicago? Yeah.
Ito.
I want you to stay, never go away from me. To be here besides me. I used to hate driving truck to Chicago. Doing great so far, Fred. Same old, same old. Pagwapo ka.
United States.
Pagwapo na ka. Insan, big boy na si Gab. Yep, I never drive in Chicago too. I ride in to bus. I need to. Good evening, friend. How are you? I'm fine, Leonidas. Go to school, young man. Yes, he going to school.
Mama, may medyas pa.
Hanapan mo dito. Diri, kay diri mo pa ning bubutang ang medyas mo sa ano. Sabi ko,
Diba?
oo, wala man ako nalabahan. My God. Tio Chong, I charity from Tio. Oh my God. That's Tio again in the house. Gerald Fleming. Hello. Hi Gab, gosh, he's so big now. The last time I saw him, he was small. Guys, I'm getting old. Me too. I'm getting old now. Tio, how's your lady friend that sells you water? Sells water? Oh. Have a great day from
Yan,
Erwan.
nadako-dako mga medyas.
Oh, sige. Have a great day from Maryland. Hi, Sheryl from Maryland. Tyron Price. Sheryl Ohm, you are a star. I'm a star. What the name of star? Wow, I'm a star. She called in sick this week, Mike. Who's the lady? Sheryl Flaming, thank you. Thank you for joining. Yeah, that's me, Charity. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. From Tio. Good evening, my love. How are you? Huh? You need that. Where are you from?
Erupsin mo, tapos inilang mo. Ang sasagad mo ng pero.
Tio, you should go take care of her. Maybe then she will go on date. Wow. Huh? Greetings, Turkey. Hello from Turkey. Thank you for watching. Thank you to those who hit the likes. Thank you. I want you to stay. I see to you. How are you? It's been a long time. Yeah, that's awesome. You remember a bit of our interaction, Charity. Mike. Until Chicago, we did 180 was terrible. 1 to 80, it was terrible. What's that? 180. We did. Thank you to those who hit the likes. Thank you so much. Yes, I don't see you often on Cheryl's live stream charity. My cousin's so busy working in US. Coffee, Ma'am Grace. Morning to all. I see. I don't know about it. Say, I live in in the suburbs. Kiki G is following me. Oh my God. I'm in GTV. Oy, my number one supporter is her pala. Good morning, GTV. Your boyfriend Tio is here. Oh my God. Oh my gulay. Brother Fred. Kuya Fred. Bapu, your number one is not here, GTV. Have another one. Mom Grace have a lots of fans. Morning Mike from GTV. Okay. Tiu Chong, good morning, Grace. She wants to hear the tale of the koto. Yeah. Yeah, something like that. Boring pag wala makuha. My God. Boring pag walang nakukuha. She wants. Okay, it's Bapu favorite words. Bapu. Bapu. Wow. Okay, okay daw, Bapu. What means Bapu? Reason, GTV Lul. Ako to tell again for the nth time. Huh? Boring pag wala makuha. My God. Oh no, not the lies again, Teo. Boring on. I used to think that no one sees to everything. No, no. Next time, share. I will share it to you. Okay. Oh my God. Yes. Ang kagwapo ni Gob.
Dati na.
Pabango ka dito, ha?
Ayun na.
Okay.
Ayun, maliit na ka.
Hmm?
7 na city na. Pasado sakto.
Ay, maghapon na yun, ha? Bali magayo ka naman doon. You're gonna share lies with Sheryl Ohm. GTB mentioned it first, not me, kuya. I just second the motion. In Tagalog version. What in Tagalog version? Wait lang. Oh my God. Naka-translate kasi. Tagalog eh. Opo, Tagalog please. But my Wi-Fi is frozen. My Wi-Fi is frozen. Yes, in Tagalog. Next time I will share it. GTV had lies below the belt. What? Jose, how are you doing? I'm doing live here on YouTube. That's why you here. Not today, she on my next live. Ah, okay. Yes, in the bush. In the bush. Hello, Ralph Werbel. Hey, are you okay? I'm pretty sure okay. Linda, is she frozen or it's my Wi-Fi? Linda? Who's Linda? My beautiful Tej Jose. Where are you from? Coffee first. Need to prepare now. Okay, me too. I'm working today. But before I work, need to call the hubby. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, my beautiful YouTube family. Thank you, Ma'am Grace. Thank you so much for joining in. Love you all. We love you, Ma'am Grace. Have a blessed Monday, Ma'am Grace. Oh, what a shame you're married. Yes, not a shame. I'm be so proud. I'm proud that I'm engaged and getting married pretty soon. So it means legal partner. Need help preparing GTV? My Wi-Fi sucked to the arm. Huh? Bye GTV from Tio. I really like you. You really like me, Jose? You are together. You can still like Jose, just respect. Yeah. Bye everyone. I need to call my hubby. I am 49 years old and you I'm 55. I'm calling my hubby. Bye bye. I need to call before going to work. Bye bye.